Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we take a careful, process-driven look at how criminal cases are decided across different legal systems. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. Today's case involves Oscar Pistorius and an international criminal prosecution that illustrates how appellate courts can fundamentally alter trial outcomes. According to court records, Pistorius was charged in South Africa following the fatal shooting of his girlfriend in 2013. He acknowledged firing the shots, but maintained that he believed an intruder was present, raising questions about intent, negligence, and self-defense under South African law. One key fact was the initial trial outcome. The trial court acquitted Pistorius of murder and instead convicted him of a lesser offense, finding that the prosecution had not proven the required intent for murder beyond a reasonable doubt. A second important issue was appellate review. Prosecutors appealed, arguing that the trial court misapplied the legal standard for intent. South Africa's Supreme Court of Appeal reviewed the record and focused not on new evidence, but on whether the law had been correctly applied to the facts. A third factor involved sentencing authority. After the appellate court substituted a murder conviction, the case was returned to the trial court for resentencing, illustrating how appellate decisions can reshape both liability and punishment. Ultimately, Pistorius was convicted of murder and sentenced to a term of imprisonment. Subsequent sentencing proceedings and parole determinations followed under South African law, bringing the case to a procedurally final resolution. One clear legal lesson from this case is the power of appellate courts. Even when facts are undisputed, legal interpretation, particularly of intent, can determine whether a conviction stands, changes, or is overturned. How should appellate courts balance deference to trial judges with the need for consistent legal standards? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value calm, neutral explanations of criminal cases from around the world, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.